When we talk about the future of AI, it's easy to get swept up in visions of murder robots taking over the world or machines replacing entire industries overnight. But the reality is much more nuanced. And honestly, I believe more exciting. Over the next few years, AI's impact is going to be incremental as we find more and more profitable and progressive ways to use these tools. It's not likely to be revolutionary because burning everything to the ground and rebuilding it is very expensive. We'll see a steady expansion of automation, smarter decision support, new tools that augment human capabilities. What does that look like in practice? Imagine AI systems that'll proactively flag risks before they become issues, or tools that help your teams focus on the highest value work by automating the repetitive stuff. In customer service, AI will handle more routine inquiries, freeing up humans to tackle complex and relationship-driven tasks. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance will reduce downtime, potentially saving millions. In healthcare, AI will help doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. In professions like software development and legal, AI will reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks like coding and drafting standard documents. Developers and legal professionals will focus on decision-making and discernment, the tasks that demand creativity, critical thinking, and nuanced judgment. By streamlining the mundane, AI enhances human efficiency, enabling professionals to tackle high-value challenges and deliver impactful results. But there are challenges too. As we scale up AI, we'll have to manage new risks, like ensuring our models are biased in acceptable ways, that they're resilient to vendor changes, and that we're not automating away critical human judgment. Organizations that win will be those that integrate AI thoughtfully, blending human expertise with machine efficiency.